So for the first time in this section, we are seeing a data situation and we have to make confidence interval for population variance. So we open in StatCrunch and we have a 98% confidence interval. So open in StatCrunch. So for variance or standard deviation, we know we use variance stats for the confidence interval. Variance stats, one sample, and this one is with data. Select the column and you select the correct confidence, 98, and compute. So 0.019 and 0.120. Let's see. 0.019 and 0.120. I don't see anything wrong. Point 019, 0.1. Oh, 0.195 will be 0.196. Okay, 0.196. All right. So this was confidence interval for variance. And that's what we've been doing until now. But now for the first time, they are asking confidence interval for standard deviation. So even for standard deviation confidence interval, we still use variance stats because there are no standard deviation stats. So, and you do all the same work. In the end, remember, since those are variance stats, so the values they give for the confidence interval are for the variance. So if you want them for the standard deviation, you just take square roots of these values and that will be the confidence interval for standard deviation. So let's see, what's the square root of 0.019? Okay, so second square root point, okay, let's close this. Square root 0.019, 0.138. And then the square root of 0.196. 0.443. And now they just ask the confidence interval for standard deviation, but we'll still do the variance stats and we want 99%. So stats, variance stats, one sample, and once again, it's with data. Select the column, select the confidence to be 99. And now we just take the square roots of these values because remember, these are for the variance and you need them for the standard deviation. So square root of 70593, 70593 is 265.693. 265.7. And then you take the square root of the other one, 725581. 725581. 851.8. And now just note that in this problem, I was rounding those values to integers and then taking their square root because I knew because of the magnitude of numbers that I'll be okay with it. But if you want to be safe, you could have taken, if the final answer is needed to 1 decimal place, then you will always be safe if you take the intermediate answer to 2 decimal places. So you could have taken 2 decimal places for both of them and then taken the square roots. But I knew the magnitude of numbers, so I knew that taking integers was fine in this case. Okay, so what is the confidence interval for population variance? So we have this data, and this one we will have to enter by hand in StatCrunch. And then, so let's see, so 61, 66, 79, 61, 66, 79. Okay, so let's do it from the beginning. So 61, 66, 79. And then what did we have? Uh, 61, 66, 79, 80, 89, 80, 89. And then we had 91, 96, 116, 91, 96, 116, and then 129 and 137, and 90%. 129, 137. So stats, variance stats, it's one sample with data. Select it, select the 90% confidence. Okay, so 348.04 and 1770.89. 348.04, 1770.89. So 1770.9. And now you have to do for standard deviation. So you just take the square roots of these. So square root of 348. God. So I'm just taking, I want to change the mode for it. So square root of 348. $18.7. And square root of 1770.9. This is 42.1.